Hi guys, it's Kent here from DocPods and Ergonics, and today we're answering some questions that have come in from the stores. And the question is, why, when we get heel pain in the morning, do we use an orthotic inner sole? And so heel pain is one of the most common foot pains that we get as adults, and the reason why we get heel pain, and it'll make it a little bit clearer why we use an orthotic if we explain why we get heel pain. Quite often the heel pain, or we get a condition called plantar fasciitis. Now the plantar fascia is the ligament that runs down the inside of the foot, from just inside the inside of the heel to just behind the big toe. And what happens is when our foot rolls in, so this is a left foot, and when our foot rolls in and the arch collapses too much, that ligament that spans the arch, as the arch drops out, the ligament gets strained. Now, as we age, this ligament becomes less flexible, or if we overuse the ligament, it becomes overworked. So the problem is with the repetitive nature of walking, every time our foot hits the ground, if our foot rolls in and the arch collapses, this ligament becomes strained beyond its ability to repair and it gets inflamed and sore. Now, usually what you'll feel is a pain in the arch or anywhere in the heel to just behind the big toe, and it'll usually get a little bit better as we warm it up during the day. So if we know that it's caused by arch collapse and strain on the plantar fascia, what we can do is help to limit the amount of arch collapse. So we put an orthotic inner sole under the foot, and this is the slimline orthotic inner sole. So this fits really well into ladies' boots, fashion shoes, or things that you can't fit a regular full-sized orthotic into. And what this aims to do is keep the arch height higher and help to limit how much our foot rolls in. Now, what that actually does to the foot, it rests the plantar fascia, so it will be able to heal, and then eventually you'll become pain-free. Now, the other things we need to look for when we're treating plantar fasciitis is, do you have any calf muscle tightness? So if you've got calf muscle tightness, you need to stretch off your calf muscles, and we need to wear it in a good supportive shoe to help to further limit the overpronation. So that's why we use an orthotic inner sole to treat heel pain and arch pain in the podiatry clinic. So I hope this helps with some of your questions, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.